Welcome back to Furniture Flip in 60 seconds. Today we're starting this piece with a deep clean because it is old. In lieu of using a stripper, we decided to scrape off this tough finish and to scuff sand the legs. That surf prep makes it so easy to get around all the curves of these legs. But the top's just going to take a while to get down to raw wood. We're going to be painting the bottom, so we're just scuff sanding that with a 180 grit. Now we've custom made this beautiful blue color using all-in-one mineral paints. And isn't it just the perfect vintage antique blue? And when it dries, it gets even more muted and dark. And then once it was all dry, we flipped it over and added our gel stain to the top. And voila, here we have it. A beautiful, simple update from what it once was.